Today we are going to learn how you can connect ERANOL APIs with your make.com without using ERANOL extension on the make.com, but with HTTP node. All right, let's get started. So in a simplest manner, you just click on plus button. Obviously, if you already have ERANOL installed, it will show up here. But if you don't have it, don't worry about it. Click on HTTP and then click on make a request. This will populate this model. Okay, authentication time, you just have to use API key and then create a keychain. So this is very important because then what happens is you have to go to eranol.com back, go to your dashboard and then click on API key and then copy your API key here, right? And then after that, you can click on create. Here you just say eranol API key. Then here you say in the header, and then obviously when you copied the key, you pasted the key. But if you go in the docs section here, you will see that the API key needs to be passed in the header. So we're gonna copy this here. It also says here in the below. So in the header, authorization place X API key, and then here you will copy paste the API key. So I'm gonna copy paste the API key here, created. There you go. So my ERANOL API key is connected. Now the URL bit. Now, as you know that on our ERANOL platform, there's multiple APIs. So let's say, for example, adding intro or compose, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to just copy this URL, whichever service you want to use. Let's say can concatenate, and then we click here and then put the URL here. And then the method. So what method is concatenate use? It uses post. So we will go and then select post method. And then body content type, you can use application JSON. And then you say JSON string. And there you go. Here you can put the JSON string. So for example, this is a JSON string for the request body. So we're going to put it here. And there you go. It is done. Save, and now you can run it. So this is how simple it is to actually create a HTTP node, and you can create multiple nodes like this. If you have any particular use case you want me to build where I can send the request with the file URLs, etc., let me know in the comments and I'll be able to help you out. Thank you.